Today we're going to be doing a smoke spam burnt ends. Alright, here we have 3 of these spams that we're going to be doing. I did a video prior to this one of the candy spam, and I was amazed how good it was. And so when I saw the video for this, another video popped out that I saw it, and it was the spam burnt ends, and it also looked good. So I figured I'd try the candy spam first and then do the burnt end spam next. So that's what we're doing today. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and open these up and take the spam out of these. So I don't know if it's 2 of these or 3. I know the video that I saw they had 3. So I'm gonna do the 2 and then see how much it looks. If it looks like that's enough. And if we don't need the third one, then we won't, but we'll see. So we're gonna cut this right in the middle, the long way. And then trying to see how, so cut them in 3. Yeah, I think 3 is perfect. So I think 2 is good enough. All right, so there you have them, nice and squared. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add some mustard as a binder. Get it all over it. All right, make sure it has it all over it, like that. We're going to use our barbecue rub. Like I said, you can use any rub you guys have. It's fine. And then we let it rain. All right, now that we have rub on it, we're going to transfer them to one of these, and then that way they get a lot of nice smoke all around. All right, so there you have it. So now is how we're going to cook it on the Pit Boss. So the video that I saw, it was 250 degrees, and they said they let it roll for 2 hours. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to put it there for 250, let it roll for 2 hours, but I will check it within the hour mark. Just to see where they're at, since this is my first time. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Pit Boss. All right, our Pit Boss is at 250 degrees. So we'll put these bad boys over here. And we're back at 2 hours. All right, we're back. And they've been there for exactly 2 hours. So this is how they look. And let's go ahead and do stage 2. All right, we're back, and we're going to continue here with our smoked spam burnt ends on our Pit Boss. So I got here some trays. Didn't have the big ones today. They had these smaller ones. I'm hoping 1 is enough, but I might need 2 of these. So we're going to go ahead and grab these and put them over here. So they've been cooking in our Pit Boss for 2 whole hours. So we're about to put some barbecue sauce on these now. Look like that might be good enough. So looks good, smells good. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add some brown sugar on these. You can put as much as you want on them. And then we're going to go ahead and add some barbecue sauce. So like I said, these are smoked spam burnt ends on our Pit Boss. And these are looking great. And we're going to add a little bit more rub. And we're going to mix them. Mix it all in there. So like I said, I did the smoked spam candy, and they were great. Now, when I took some to work, I added barbecue sauce, and they were amazing with barbecue sauce. I should have added barbecue sauce when I was doing them, but like I said, in the video they didn't do it, but next time I will put barbecue sauce. So I know these are going to be good. So we're not going to put a cover on these. Normally we put foil wrap, but that's for, you know, again, real tender. These are, they don't need that. So these are just going to be open like this, and we're going to leave them like that, I would say for 30 minutes, and then come back and look at them. So this has been said, this is, we're going to go ahead and put our burnt ends into our Pit Boss for another 30 minutes. We're going to leave the temperature as it is at 250, and we're just going to put them in 30 minutes and see how they go. We'll be back. All right, let's go ahead and put these bad boys back in here, and we'll be back in 30. All right, they've been there for 30 minutes. Look how they look. Oh, we'll be back. Welcome back. So we are done with our smoked spam burnt ends on our Pit Boss. Now, before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, welcome back. So, smoked spam burnt ends. We did these bad boys on our Pit Boss at 250 degrees. Like I said, our Pit Boss has been running like a champ. And so these spam burnt ends, man, I cannot wait. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Look at this beauty. All right. Wow, I'm excited. So let's get right into it and let's go ahead and taste it. Wow. That's good. That's good. This is sweet and zesty, so it has a little kick to it, but it's sweet. With the barbecue sauce and all that, with the saltiness of the spam, I mean, it's just a great combination. Well cooked, nice smoky taste to it. Like I said, these burnt ends, they work. Now, I know on one of the comments I saw a guy, when I did the spam one, that he likes to boil these first in water. That way it takes some of the salt. I've never tried it before. He says it works really well because, like I said, spam is salty. But man, it's a nice piece of meat candy right here. Nice sticky with the barbecue sauce, man. So like when I did the smoked candy spam, all I needed was barbecue sauce. And when I add barbecue sauce, it was good. I took some to work and I decided to add sauce on them, so they come really good. So let me know what you guys think about this. This is great. Did you guys try the candy spam that I did? That one was really good. This one is also up there. But like I said, spam burnt ends, you can't go wrong with burnt ends. Especially smoke them on the Pit Boss or on any pellet grill that you guys have. And so you can use any pellet grill. As long as it's a pellet grill and you follow the steps that I just showed you, it's gonna come out great. I wish that my Pit Bosses had like a smoke setting where you can add more smoke. but these ones don't. So like I said, these were really great. Make sure you guys hit that like, put a comment in there. What do you guys think about this? And then make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys next time. Cheers.